How to make a group chat on Instagram. Creating a group chat on Instagram is awesome for gathering your pals for group discussions and inside jokes. It's like having a private hangout spot right in your DMs. So here's what we can do. I'm going to open my Instagram account, and then from here I'm going to click message icon here in the top. After clicking the message icon, I'm going to click this message button here. There you go, and then I'm just basically gonna choose people whom I want to include in this particular group. Say for example, I'm going to include these two. And then another thing that you can do, if you don't see here the people, or if you have too much people in the group chat, you can just basically type that person's username here. So for example, I'm going to do this. There you go, and then I'm going to click create group chat. Alright, so now we have a group chat already, and then I'm going to click this here on top in order for me to rename and choose a photo for the group. So I'm going to click change name and photo, and then we're going to start with a name. So I'm going to say, for example, Easy Weber Crew, and then I'm going to click save. So now it has changed, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change the photo. So I'm going to click this one, change group photo, choose from the library, and then I'm going to be choosing this one. Alright, so now that it's chosen, I'm going to click this button. Alright, there you go, and now we have a new photo and a new name for our group chat. And yes, that's how you're going to make a group chat on Instagram. If this content proves useful, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and consider leaving a like on the video. Your engagement means a lot.